Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to find the rank of the matrix by using normal form. So I want to find the rank of this matrix by using normal form. So first I have to convert this matrix into the normal form. So here the normal form of the matrix is either, let's say here I am writing I R, here I R 0 or I R 0 0 0, or here I am writing I R and 0. I want to convert this matrix into either of this form, this form, this form, or this form. So after converting my matrix into one of this form, whatever the R comes here, I R, this R is the rank of my this matrix. So how to convert this matrix into this normal form? By using elementary row operations or elementary column operation. So here I am using the elementary row operation as, so can I apply first elementary row operations as, here I am applying the elementary row operation as R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times R1, so that this 3 becomes 0. Here I am applying over R3 changes to R3 plus R1. So here I get the resultant matrix as, first row is as it is 1 2 minus 1 3. So second row R2 minus 3 times R1, 3 minus 3 times 1 0, 4 minus 6, that is here 4 minus 3 into 2 6, that is minus 2, 0 minus minus plus 3, here minus 1 minus 9, that is minus 10, here minus 1 plus 1, here R3 changes to R3 plus R1, here minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 2 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, and minus 7 7 plus 3, that is 10. Now I want to convert this minus 2 into 1 and this 2 into 0. So first I will make this 2 as 0 by using the elementary operation as, here I am performing the operation through R3 as R3 changes to R3 plus R2, that is minus 2 plus 2 0. That's why here I am applying the operation, and the matrix obtained by using elementary operation, this is first row is as it is 1 2 minus 1 3, and second row is also as it is 0 minus 2 3, and here this is minus 10, and second row, third row 0 plus 0 0, minus 2 plus minus 2 0, minus 3, this 3 is 0, 10 minus 10 0. So here now I want to convert, now again here I am applying elementary operation. I want this 2 as 0 here, so here I am applying the operations. C2 changes to C2 minus 2 times C1, C3 changes to, here C3 changes to C3 plus C1. So here I want to make this 2 as 0, this minus 1 as 0, and this 3 as 0. So here can I apply here, C2 changes to C2 minus 2 times C1 0, C3 changes to C3 plus C1, so minus 1 plus 1 0, and also in the same way here I am applying C4 changes to C4 minus, here C4 minus 3 times C1. So now tell me the resultant matrix. Here first here I am applying column operation. So here first column is as it is 1 0 0. Now tell me the second column, 2 minus 2 times C1. So here is 0, minus 2 minus 0, simply minus 2, 0 minus 0 0, here minus 1 plus 1 0, C3 plus C1, C3 changes to C3 plus C1, here minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 plus 1 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1 3 plus 0 0, 3, and here this is the 0 plus 0 0. Now C4 changes to C4 minus 3 times C1, 3 minus 3 times 1 0, minus 10 minus So minus 10 minus 3 times 0. Here simply minus 10 and 0 0 0. Now I want to convert this minus 2 here for sake of understanding or for easy purpose. Here I am converting this minus 2, 3 and minus 10 as 1. So here can I multiply minus 1 by 2 to the column C2, 1 by 3, here I am multiplying the column C3 as 1 by 3, and in the same way here I am multiplying the column C4 as 1 by 10. Here I want to make this minus 2 as 1. So here I am multiplying minus 1 by 2 to the column C2. I want this 3 as 1. So I am multiplying this 1 by 3 to C3. I am multiplying minus 1 by 10 to C4. So that this minus 10 becomes 1. So here the matrix obtained by after elementary, this 3 elementary operation as first column is as it is. So 1, 0, 0. And now come to the second columns 0, 1, 0, here 0, 0, 1, 0, here 0, 1, 0. Now tell me the second elementary operation. Now here I am applying the elementary operation. I want to make this 1 as 0. This is possible. Here I am applying the operation C3 changes to C3 minus C2. And I want to make this 1 as 0. C4 changes to C4 minus C2. C2. Here I get the resultant matrix as 1. First column is as it is. Here operation is performing with C3 and C4. At that time C1 and C2 are remain same. Here 1, 0, 0. Here 0, 1, 0. Now C3. C3 changes to C3 minus C2, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. C4 changes to C4 minus C2, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 and 0 minus 0, 0. Now this matrix is converted into the normal form. How? Here I am making the block to write how to write this matrix into the normal form. Here this is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Here I am making the block for your sake of understanding. So here this is the block, and here I am making the block. So I will, for sake of understanding, don't write in exam, don't make such kind of blocks in exam. So here this is the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, and this is a zero matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is the zero matrix of order 1 cross 2. This is a zero matrix of order. This is the zero matrix of order 1 cross 2. Here this matrix is equivalent to this, and this is the rank of this matrix. Here therefore the rank of your original matrix, let's say A, equal to 2. Thank you.